preparation of pasta. So pasta, it's one of the most Italian dishes. So now it has become an international dishes because we do pasta everywhere. So we make pasta everywhere in the world. So here we have penne pasta and the spaghetti pasta. So these two types of pasta are the one we are going to make today. So we have also sauces that will be combined with the pasta, and also the condiments we are going to combine with the pasta. Before I move to the first step, I just encourage you to take the notes, go step by step, and make sure that you don't miss any step. So going to step number one, we are going to branch pasta. So branching pasta, it's like the same way you are branching vegetables. So you should have boiling water. So and the difference between branching vegetables and pasta is that the pasta include oil in the water. So but for the vegetables, it's just water and salt. But here we are going to put salt, we season water, then we put oil, and then we add our pasta. So we are going to branch our penne until it's cooked. So combining salt and oil the same time with the water is first of all is to increase the flavor and the taste. For the oil is to increase the pasta flavor and taste as well. And you know, for the oil is to avoid pasta to stick together, so that when it's already cooked, each piece it's an individual, so it's not combined together, it's not stick together. But of course you have to continue mixing it so that it doesn't stick together. So the same preparation of branching spaghetti, just salt and oil, continue mixing to avoid spaghetti sticking together. Then we can wait 10 to 15 minutes for our pasta to be ready. You have to continue checking if your pasta are ready, you know, and if it does not stick together. So now our pasta it's almost done, and you just check the taste. So pasta should not be undercooked and also should not be overcooked. So you have to taste until it sticks at your teeth. So that shows that your pasta it's not overcooked. It's melts in your mouth, and it shows that it's already cooked. I need to strain it. When I'm straining my pasta, so I don't need to throw the liquid away because I may need it. So I just pour a little bit of oil just to avoid to avoid pasta to stick together. Then I'm also going to test penne. See, it's already cooked. Okay, so I also put some oil. You just apply olive oil to avoid your pasta not sticking together. You see? So now I'm going to combine pasta with the sauce. So combining pasta with the sauce and the condiments, it's a just simple preparation as well. You just pour oil, then you add chopped onion and chopped garlic. You saute chopped onion, chopped garlic together. Then you add your penne. Then after adding your penne pasta, then add tomato sauce. You can add some herbs like basil. Basil goes well with the pasta. Then you taste and correct seasoning. If necessary. Now I can add the black pepper. Just combining pasta with the sauce, it doesn't take time, just 5 minutes. So now my penne with the tomato sauce are ready. So you can serve it like this. It's a tomato penne. It's already done. Okay, so now we are moving to the spaghetti with cheese sauce.